How to use Watch Later on YouTube. When you're browsing YouTube, you usually come across videos you don't want to watch right this second, but you can make time for them in the future. Use YouTube's Watch Later feature to save them all in one playlist. You can think of Watch Later as a designated playlist. It has a special place in the Library tab, and it's usually easier to add a video to Watch Later than to add it to a playlist. You can add a video to Watch Later without even opening the video page. Just hover over a video thumbnail and then click on the Watch Later button. It has a clock icon. The video will be instantly added to your Watch Later queue. Click on the Library tab from the sidebar. Here, you'll first see the History section. Scroll down until you see the Watch Later section. There will be recently saved YouTube videos here. You can click on a video and it will start playing, but this will directly open the videos page and play only the specific video. If you want to use the Watch Later feature as a makeshift queue, where you save videos to watch later all day and you come back at night to watch 3 to 4 videos together, you'll have to click on the See All button next to Watch Later. To rearrange videos in the playlist, grab the handle icon and move the video around. To delete a video from the playlist, click on the Menu button and then select the Remove from Watch Later option. Unlike the web version, the Watch Later feature in the mobile app directly loads the playlist, so videos will play one after the other. In the Watch Later section, tap and drag on the Handle button to move the video, or tap on the Menu button for options. From the Options menu, you can tap on Remove from Watch Later to delete a video from the Watch Later playlist. If you're privacy conscious, you can use a new YouTube feature that automatically deletes YouTube history after a set time frame. Text source, howtogeek.com.